In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a fade out animation to an element in Wix Studio using Chrome. If you're looking to add a touch of dynamism and fluidity to your website, this guide will walk you through the entire process with ease. Adding animations can truly enhance the visual appeal and user experience on your site, making it more engaging for visitors. So let's dive right in. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is open Wix Studio using the Chrome browser. Wix Studio is a powerful platform that allows you to build and customize your website with a wide array of tools, and using Chrome ensures you're getting the best performance and compatibility. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't done so already. Next, locate the element on your page that you'd like to animate. This could be anything from a button, an image, or a text box. Whatever you think will benefit from a little animation flair. Simply click on the element to select it. You'll notice that when selected, a toolbar or menu specific to that element will appear, providing several customization options. Once you've selected your element, look for the animation settings. These are usually accessible in the menu or toolbar that appears once an element is clicked, and they allow you to control how that element behaves when someone visits your page. Here you'll find a variety of animation options to choose from, but for today's demonstration, we're going to focus on the fade out animation. Select Fade Out from the list of available animation options. This particular effect will gradually make your chosen element disappear from view, creating a smooth and subtle exit that can be perfect for guiding the viewer's attention elsewhere on the page. By default, it might have preset configurations, but they're fully adjustable. Now here's where you get to personalize the animation to fit your design and timing needs. Adjust the duration of the animation. This determines how long the fade out effect will take to complete. You can also set a delay if you want the animation to occur after a specific period of time when the page loads or a certain trigger is activated. Play around with these settings to see what feels right for your website's pace and style. Finally, it's always a good idea to preview your changes. In Wix Studio, there's usually a preview option that allows you to see how the animation works in real time before you make it live. Take a moment to test it out to ensure everything looks just as you envisioned. Once satisfied, go ahead and publish your site. Your changes will be live, and visitors will now see the newly animated element in action, adding that extra layer of engagement to your website. And there you have it. You've successfully added a fade out animation to an element in Wix Studio. This small touch can make a big difference in how your site is perceived, offering a more polished and